Okay, click on status and then let's change it to shut in. So 2024, January 1st, the well will be shut in, and all the subsequent dates after this date will also be considered the well to be shut in. Okay, make sure to not click anywhere except on the options tab after selecting the new date. Okay, maintain all the settings except the status, especially make the status to be shut in. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Click on OK. So you see we have obtained all the green checks there. Okay, but yeah, we can also add more outputs because it is of our interest. Over the next few exercises, yeah, there are a number of concepts to be investigated and understood. And yeah, I mean is about solubility trapping, hysteresis trapping, residual trapping, mineral trapping. Okay, so there will be a number of concepts to be investigated and understood in the future. And for this, some extra properties need to be looked at in the results. And output recording for these extra outputs should be turned on. Okay, so to enable more results that is of our interest, we need to go to IO control, click on that, and then simulation results output. Okay, we can generate many, many results. Not all of them are necessary, but because it is CO2 sequestration topic, there are results that are of our interest. And in general case, in base case, non-CCUS, those results will not be, you know, will not be generated to save calculation time. But we want them. We want those results. That's why we want to change the settings so that those results will be produced. Okay, so you see here frequency of simulation results file writing, when to write, WSRF, the keyword, initial well grid, specified frequency, every time or that keywords. Okay, so initial well specified frequency, good, value 1, initial grid every time or date keywords, okay, good, and items in simulation results file, what to write. Okay, so this is that this is the one that we want to check. Okay, initial grid, select grid variables, click on select, and initial reservoir, no variables. Okay, so click on select here. Okay, you see there are many keywords there. Okay, there are associated with a certain results. Okay, like this, press, it's associated with pressure. That's the base keywords. Gas saturation, so you will always obtain results about gas saturation and pressure. But you can also produce other results like shear modulus and radial shear stress. But of course, producing them in all cases will be unnecessary, will be inefficient. It will take more time for the simulator to produce. It will take more calculation time. Okay, so that's why in base case setting there will not be check. Okay, so there are parameters that we want to check. First, deselect all. Okay, deselect all, and then let's start selecting the parameters that we are interested in. So the first one is gas mass density. Check that one.